Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Adobe Experience Platform Debugger in Chrome, and this will be a part one of a short series. In the next parts, I'll go much deeper into each concepts inside the debugger so you can really understand what you're seeing and how it works. If you are new to this and want to follow along step by step, stick around. I'll also help you figure out the next things you need to do to practice on your own. Okay, now let's jump in. So let's first install the extension. Let's type in Adobe Experience Platform Debugger Chrome extension and let's click the link. You may see an option here as in Add to Chrome. Hit on it and then install it. You will see a little puzzle icon appear in your browser. Click on it and this is how your debugger would look like. Just a quick note, in order to see all the data coming through properly, you will need an Adobe ID with access to Adobe Analytics or Experience Platform. If you are a learner or if you don't have that, no worries. Adobe do provide a free demo sandbox account you can practice with. That's what I am using right now. So this is how the workspace looks like. But make sure that when you are into this debugger, you are signing in with the same ID and the details that you have for your demo account. And so once you're signed in and once you're connected, just need to open this debugger on any page that has the Adobe Analytics running, and this you will instantly see all the data that's been sent. And so this is where in the bottom you can see that I've connected to my workspace, that is Adobe Analytics. And here you can see there is a icon that shows lock and unlock. So this lock icon would keep this debugger fixed to one particular page as you navigate. So the main reason this tool is helpful, I would say there are many reasons. First would be when you need to quickly check which analytics data is firing, and would say it is much more easier than going into Chrome standard inspect tools. And also you can just look at different sections, like you have here experience platform, web SDK, analytics, and so on. And you also have tools like logs, networks, events, auditor, settings. And I'll cover all of these in the next part of this series. That's it for part one. And in this, we have installed and set it up the debugger. In the next part, we'll jump into these concepts one by one and break them down so you really understand what you're seeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye.